Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook in 2025. So just launch the Facebook application and make sure you will have logged in with your account, and we will move in the right bottom corner option menu and scroll down. Just find settings and privacy. Again, just tap on the settings icon. After here you will see the account center, so just see more in account center. So here in account settings you will see the personal details, so just get in personal details and you will see the account ownership and control. So I will be just modify it for the deactivation. You will see, just tap on it. So just choose your profile as well. So if you want to just deactivating your account temporarily, so you will be just tap on it, continue, or you will just have to delete forever, permanent. So you will be just selected the second one option, but selected the first one for deactivate account. Just tap to continue and just put the password of your profile as well. So in this way you will just have to deactivate your account Facebook in 2025. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.